Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Nissan Leaf. First, make sure your key fob is inside the vehicle. Next, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your foot. Then, locate and push the power button, usually found near the steering wheel. You'll hear a chime and see the dashboard light up, indicating the car is powering on. This simple sequence gets your electric vehicle ready to go. Once powered on, check your dashboard for the ready indicator light. This confirms the car's electric motor is active and prepared for driving. Now, use the unique shifter to select either drive or reverse, depending on your direction. Remember, electric vehicles are very quiet, so be mindful of your surroundings as you begin to move. Before you pull away, always perform a quick safety check. Adjust your mirrors to ensure clear visibility and scan your surroundings for any obstacles or pedestrians. Don't forget to fasten your seatbelt securely. It's crucial for your safety. Finally, confirm that all doors are properly closed and latched before you begin your journey. When you've reached your destination, bring the vehicle to a complete stop and shift into Park P. To power down your Nissan Leaf, simply press the power button one more time. The dashboard lights will turn off, confirming the car is fully shut down. For more great tips and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below. They really help keep your food fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.